morning everyone. It is a Sunday and I am up early in the morning. The reason we're up early is because we're going to the shops to buy something for ko'ngai, which means what, Darnell? What does ko'ngai mean?
Coca something.
Huh?
It's coca something.
Does it mean coca something?
Coconut something.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Yes, still got some work to do. Ko'ngai means beast. I heard that you kissed Ussel's next door neighbour.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, Darnell.
Yeah.
Why did you kiss her for?
Yeah.
My bee. Oh my gosh, look, they got free fruit for kids. Get up, get one, Darnell. Darnell, just one banana.
Oh.
Hello guys, now we at Coles, buy something to make food for the fish with Darnell.
If you come now, there's free fruit standing outside of Coles.
Free for kids.
And if you have child, have free food. Now I'm gonna do a impression of Siaosi. Hello guys. Hello, I'm here. I know I'm here. And yeah.
Hi. That does not look like Siaosi. The first one was.
Hey guys, I'm just coming to the. I just came back from the gym, and yeah, and I'm back. Yeah, now I'm moldy. Yeah, now Samoan. Yeah.
Hi. Look, we need to mow our grass.
I thought it was fake grass.
We're gonna get the shopping. We didn't take any bags because we never do. We always forget. So I told Siaosi to teach us a lesson. We're not going to buy any bags.
Hi guys, I'm just waiting for Sue to come back because she's at Susu's house. Yep, she's at Susu's house.
My name is Darnell. I always go to the toilet to make a big poo. And now I'm gonna bomb this house. SV Squad's house, gonna bomb and I'll go back. So guys, if you want me to bomb your house, comment down below and I'll come there and bomb your house. I'm so stinky bomb man.
Listen. Secure. I think everyone up. Ready? Oh no. Someone sneaked up behind me.
Alright guys, so we've got banana cake, which I made. We've got chow mein, which I also made. And sarang bageko, which I also made.
No, that's not right. Siaosi peeled the potatoes.
Yeah, but I made it. What is up, SV Squad?
What's up guys? Now we're coming here to make our shop.
Yeah, so we had really, sorry though, we had really big failed plans today because we were meant to go to Sydney. It didn't happen. I wonder why. No, I'm just kidding. It's not me. It wasn't him, it wasn't me. We were just running late. As you guys know, Siaosi's brother plays for SAMOA'S. And he's here. He's been in Australia for about 4 days now and we haven't been to see him because we've been working. So today was our day off from work and we were meant to go up there to pick up some tickets for the game. But we were running so late because we've been doing a lot of shopping for him. And we just did not have the time. Like, so we just decided to stay and not go and just not rush because we didn't want to get into a car accident. So we ended up staying, but we're going tomorrow. We're going to pick up the tickets from him tomorrow. Yeah, alright. We'll bring it over tonight.
Hey guys, Victoria left the camera at Audi's. So annoying. Hey Aussie, so annoying.
Guys, lucky we didn't have more videos coming in because we're gonna lost this camera. Victoria left the camera inside the Audi and now it's gonna be locked. Lucky we didn't lock.
Lucky me and Siaosi came and ran in the shop. Oh, we had to walk from Kmart From Aldi. From Aldi. So annoying. Now, we're very lucky. Thank you, God. God's the one who made us not late. Because Victoria, the more you be, the more you be. Hey guys, we're just in Kmart. And yeah. What do you have to say for losing your camera?
No, can you leave it? So I gave the camera to Darnell actually, and he left it in Aldi. And thankfully, because the doors were like closing when we were walking out, thankfully they still let them in to get the camera, because I would have got in your face.
I didn't touch it.
Oh my god, this is hilarious. What the heck? What is up, SV Squad? And we are back again with another video, another vlog, another day, yes, another dollar.
Now guys, we're going to Sydney, going to watch the game. 7's, support our SAMOA'S.
We're running a little bit late because I left my phone at home and we had to turn around because I ain't trying to leave my phone, yo. Bang! Bang! All from MANU. Bang, 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 bang. Bang! All from MANU. Bang, bang, bang. Oh no, we don't remember to the tilo. Neki kawa mili mili yakuro kigo wa mangi niki. Ngai kango le solo wailo imakumali. Beki kawa mili mili yakuro kigo wa mangi niki. Ngai kango le solo wailo imakumali. It's a low lele. Oh, you don't know. If you have been following our vlogs, then you would remember that when we came to Campbelltown about a year and a bit ago, this was where the accident was. So we're finally here in Sydney. The weather is so muggy and sticky. We spent like almost an hour trying to look for a park because, I don't know, there were no parks available. We're trying to get an Uber back to the hotel because it's like a half an hour walk. We've got all of Becca's things that we gave to him. You can see a glimpse in there.
Hello guys, now we're here in the hotel with my little brother. That's the channel. Yeah guys, we're here in the hotel, drop something in the bags. Yeah. We enjoy to watch the 7's tonight. If you want to watch, come over to Sydney, the big stadium, watch it. Hey.
Yep. So Aussie, are you jumping on that bus?
No.
Are you jumping on that bus, Aussie?
No. Only this guy's gonna jump in this bus. Look at this guy. Whoa! Guys, look, that bus look like a toilet.
Okay, is that what the toilets look like in Samoa?
Yeah.
We're currently waiting for an Uber to go back to our car, which was parked in the car park that is like 1,000 years away.
We're here at the stadium, Alien Stadium. Hope you guys come and watch and support us with us. Here guys. This is the ref, Rasta Vastavenka. This is the one who ref all the games, and we all lost from this guy. Yeah.
We're finally here at the stadium, which you probably guys already know, but I was not in the mood for vlogging because I had some involuntary exercise and I get really crappy when I get sweaty and I was tired and we had to walk much today already.
Still waiting for salmon game.
I see a lot of islanders here, but none actually with like the flags and stuff. And we forgot our flags at home. Thanks to Aussie. Why did you forget the flags at home, Aussie?
Because I do all the things, I check all the things in the car. What are you doing?
Siaosi's gonna get his cranky pants on now, so I've got to turn the camera off. He's not gonna talk to me if they lose.
Masi! Backward, take it out! Vai, vai pegar, Cassi! Yes, Manu! Goodbye! Now guys, I'm the one who cheers louder. Now, my voice is off.
I think we're the only Samoa supporters here. Shout out to Fiji, man. Y'all are loyal. Y'all be faithful. At every single game, I always see Fijian supporters around the world.
Now guys, Samoa sucks. We lost the first game. Sorry, I said no. We lost the first game.
The people, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. The people in front. Alright, get yourself together, Victoria. The people in front of us fully jumped. That poor girl in front of us fully jumped. He scared the daylights out of her. Siaosi took it really hard. I told you he was gonna have his cranky pants on. Wow, follow. I told him we were gonna lose and he got so mad at me.
No, you're not gonna say that before you start.
Why?
Bây Samoa chú xui mà đây nè.
Chú xui cái anh bụi.
Vì phải yên gặp bè, cái căng như chú xui mà luôn.